How to install ESP Home Studio? First, extract the downloaded zip file and copy the exe file from inside it. Next, create a folder called ESP Home Studio on any drive. Then place the exe file inside that folder. I will also right-click the file and send it to the desktop to create a clean shortcut. How does the initial setup work? First, we need to choose a workspace where all our projects will be stored. I don't have one yet, so I'm creating a folder on the main drive called ESP Home Projects. ESP Home Studio uses Python, so in the next step we either select the path to an existing Python installation, or if we don't have it, choose Install Python. It's best to keep the default installation path on the main path of your drive. Once Python is either installed or selected, the two error messages in the status bar will disappear, and you will see the detected Python version. You also get a notification about missing Python modules. After clicking OK, ESP Home Studio will automatically install the required ESP Home and Platform I/O packages. When the installation finishes, the program restarts on its own. ESP Home Studio is now ready to use.